Welcome to your ultimate guide on growing your YouTube channel. Let's unlock your potential with powerful, proven tips. 1. Optimize your channel. Captivating banner. Clear description. Relevant keywords. 2. Content quality. Focus on creating high-quality videos that provide real value and keep your audience coming back. Consistency. Upload regularly to build momentum and keep your audience engaged. 4. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments. Ask for feedback. Create community posts. 5. Promote on social media. Share your content on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach more viewers. 6. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with creators. Expand your exposure and audience. 7. Use SEO strategies. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher in search results. Eye-catching thumbnails. Use vibrant and relevant thumbnails to grab attention at a glance. 9. Analyze your performance. Use YouTube Analytics. Adapt your strategy for success. 10. Stay authentic. Be yourself and let your unique personality shine through every video. Follow these tips with passion and dedication, and watch your channel grow. Remember, your journey to success starts now.